Hi there! In this video, we're going to show how to import your agents and groups to Zendesk using our user-friendly tool, Migration Wizard. Our tool makes the transferring process easier, faster, and effective. Before you continue watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more data migration tutorials, news about help desk software, and more. First of all, you need to create an account with our service in case you don't have one. Moving forward, you need to check whether you have created an account on Zendesk because you need a space where you're going to import your data. If you want to learn more details about the pre-migration process to Zendesk, look through our checklist. We have left a link in the description box. After that, you need to select your source help desk software from the given list and fill in the form with the essential information. During this step, our tool needs some necessary credentials. This action is necessary as it allows our tool to retrieve your data. Then you have to choose Zendesk as your target software and connect it to our tool. Carrying forward, you have to specify what records you'd like to import. Since you want to migrate agents and agent groups, you need to click on the appropriate boxes. Besides other help desk objects, you can import the knowledge base records as well. As soon as everything is set up, you need to start the test import to see how the migration of agents and agent groups to Zendesk will look like. After the import is finished, you will see the summary page with migrated records and the buttons next to them which you have to press to download reports. After you have pressed one of the buttons, a report will open. In the report, you'll see a list of record ID on your source software and corresponding records on Zendesk. Pay attention that you have to check all data to ensure that everything has migrated successfully. After that, confirm that the data got transferred accurately. If everything looks fine, you may start importing all data instantly or schedule your import. But before you do so, make sure that your Zendesk instance is ready. We have an awesome checklist to help you with this task. You'll find a link to it in the description box. However, if you have any questions or would like to customize your migration, leave us a message in the chat live. So, what are you waiting for? Let's expand the borders of the customer support sphere with Zendesk and help desk migration. Sign up in Migration Wizard and commence the transfer right now. We hope this video was useful for you, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon.